So it's time to get Priscilla off the packaging rack, get her home so we can clean up a little bit and take it on a motorcycle next week. But the trouble is, the front wheel is seized. So that's a problem that we need to fix first. I've got her on the transport dollies. See that the back wheel is spinning. I wouldn't say free, but it's definitely not smooth. Chain is dead, as is the disc. But at least the back wheel is spinning. Front wheel is just not solid. Now, do we put it on the trailer like that, or do we fix it here? It's damn hot in the warehouse, so let's unload it. What could possibly go wrong? So far so good. Kind of working. Well, that worked. It's on. It's different, but it's on. Well, she's loaded. She needs a bit of work, but she's loaded. Time to get home to the workshop.